In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. And yes, I know full well that some of you are sat there thinking, John, are you serious? Whatever's next? Are you going to create a video to show us how to blink, breathe, or go for a number 2? But believe me, not everyone knows how to do this. The fact that this is a really popular search term proves it. And if you're one of the people that's just typed that search term in and found this video, then don't worry. We don't search shame people on here. After all, you don't know what you don't know. And that's what makes this whole YouTube thing absolutely brilliant. So let me show you. First up, if you're new to my channel, I help content creators maximize their impact and income using proven strategies and tech. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then hit that subscribe button. For those of you that aren't 100% sure what a playlist is, then think of it as a way of sharing what you like. And that could be your content or someone else's content. YouTube says,
a playlist is a collection of videos. Anybody can make playlists, share them, and friends can add videos to your playlist if you set it up right.
Stay to the end and I'll tell you why, as a content creator, you should really be using playlists and how they can help grow your channel fast. This is how to save a playlist on mobile. First of all, click on your avatar in the top right hand corner and then click on your channel. We're going to choose one of the videos as an example. So I'm just going to choose this one. When that opens up, if you press the save button in the middle, you'll notice at the bottom there's a pop-up that says it's been saved to a recent playlist. Click on change and then choose the appropriate playlist. Once you've selected them, any that you want in there, click on done. We can also do this in YouTube Studio. Again, if we click on the hamburger icon in the top left and then click on videos, and we're just going to choose a sample video. I'm going to choose this one. And then at the top there's a pencil, that's the edit button. Click on the edit button and then scroll down a little bit and you'll see a little icon which is some lines and a plus sign. Click on that, that gives you your playlists. Tick the appropriate playlists, click done and then press save. Now, just like creating a playlist on mobile, on desktop, it's pretty self-explanatory again. Let's just click on one of these videos and I'll just quickly show you. So I've just opened up one of my videos and if you look at the bottom here, you can see that there's a save button. Again, click save. That'll give you a list of your playlists and it's really easy. So we just tick them and click done and that's it. That's how you add a video to a playlist. Now you can see there's another button here for create a new playlist. So in there, you've only got a couple of options. You can create the name of the playlist and you can set it to be private, unlisted, or public. And that basically just means that anyone can see it and search for it, or only you can see it and search for it. Now that's quite an important part there. Anyone can search for. So I'm going to show you why it's important and why using playlists can help grow your channel. So we're just going to close this. I'm just going to jump into YouTube Studio because it's better to show you from there. Now to get to YouTube Studio, you just click on your avatar in the top right hand corner, click on YouTube Studio. Now what you'll notice on the left hand side in this menu, you've now got a playlist tab in there. So click on playlists. And as you can see, this shows all of your playlists. Now again, there's not many options. We do have a new playlist button, but it's pretty minimal. You can put the name, you can put the visibility, exactly like you could going directly from the video. But we're just going to click on one of the existing ones and we're just going to click on this edit button. Now as you can see, there's a few more options in this part. So you can do several things in here. You can change the order of the videos just by dragging them and dropping them. And you can also change the name. And this is quite important. You've got to remember search engine optimization. So on YouTube, people are looking for keywords and key phrases. So what you want to do is create your playlist and try and align them with what people are typing in and searching for. Because it is possible to actually rank your playlist in the search results. So choose an appropriate title and hit save. And then we've got some more buttons in here. So first one we've got is shuffle play, which just changes the order. Then we've got share, which does exactly what it suggests. It gives you various ways that you can share. We've actually got an embed button here as well. So if we click on that, this actually gives us some code. So if you're a blogger, and I think this probably works on like medium.com as well. If we just copy that. So if we go to my blog, and this is an actual sample post that I've got, I'm going to change this to text. And then right at the very end, I'm just going to paste that code. Then let's click on preview. And as you can see, all that's done there is it embedded our playlist. You can see in the top right hand corner there, it says 1 of 78. So if you're a blogger or you're using anywhere else that allows embedding, then that's pretty useful to share your playlists. Now going back to the playlist, there's other things we can do as well. So if we click on these three dots, that should give us some extra options. So we can add the videos in. We can add all of them videos to another playlist. Collaborate does exactly what it suggests. You can actually have people, so you could have people that are working for your virtual assistants or friends that you trust, and they can actually add videos into your playlist for you as well. So you want to be careful with this one, but it's quite a good option if you do work together as part of a team. So you just tick that, and then you can copy that link and send it to people, and they can also then contribute to your playlists. Playlist settings gives you a few different options in there as well. And also you can delete the playlist. The last thing that we can do is this description. So as I said before, you've got to think of YouTube as a search engine, because that's what it is. It's the second biggest search engine behind Google, and Google own YouTube. So it's got huge potential and power. So again, think about your keywords, think about what people are typing in and searching for. Try and align your title, your description, and the content of your videos as well to meet the needs of people that are searching for that kind of content. Remember, YouTube generates revenue from its advertisers by keeping people on its videos. If you're linking people to playlists, then you're helping them achieve that, especially if your playlists are dialed in so that they've got relevant videos that would suit your viewer. Let's say I watched a video about traveling around South America. If you then added a link in the comments, description, and even the end screen of the video to another one about travel, I'd probably watch it. And so the loop begins. That's one way of growing your YouTube channel. And the video on screen now has even more ways of doing this.